Hey guys, it's Groot-Man 1010, and today I'm playing a new Monopolis Rooftop Atmosphere in Ratchet and Clank All for One. Uh, I need to select which character I need to get. So, before I do that, I'm going to talk about what I'm doing. I'm not doing the Little Big Planet series because it's going to take way too long. So, I'm going to be doing Mondays, basketball, Tuesdays, this game right here, Ratchet and Clank, Wednesday, DC Universe Online, Thursdays, Destiny, Fridays, Disney Infinity. And I'm going to have that, since I cannot play my PlayStation during the week, I'm going to make them all up on the weekend. So, yeah, just wanted to get that out of the way. So, there's either Ratchet, Quark, Clank, and Nefarious. So, Ratchet is an okay character so far. They're all level 0, so... Another profile I have Clank. He's an okay character. But today, in this game, I'm gonna do Ratchet. Okay. The reason why I'm not doing this Disney, not Disney Infinity, Little Big Planet anymore, is because it's gonna take way too long. Okay. In conclusion, I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious lightning, etc. Groot, whatever. Quark doesn't accept an award for something you didn't do to make it feel satisfied. That depends. Does deceitful mean impressive, heroic, inspiring? Fine. I don't care what it means. We're talking about the light-eating Groot. Here, whatever. I'm just gonna get it over with. Okay. Okay. So, whoa, that's cool. Sorry about the glare. I don't know how to fix that with my tablet. I need to get an Elgato HD 60. So, by the time I get that, I'm gonna be using my tablet, and there's gonna be a glare. So, sorry about that. Okay, so now I'm in New Monopolis. Whoa. We am sprinting. Whoa. Okay. Collect bolts to buy weapons. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I tried. Okay, so now I know how to attack. Okay. Is Clank seriously on my back right now? Okay. This game's pretty cool so far. This is the first time I've ever played it, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I like that you can actually hit these little guys right there. Okay. That's how you do a slam attack. You can do single slam or double slam, where you double jump and then press square, or single jump then press square. Ah! Was an exploding crate. Whoa! What the heck just happened? Luminoid. This is cool. This is cool so far. What? R2 throw. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Okay. So this is pretty cool so far. Sorry for not talking right there. Forgot that I was actually doing a video. Okay, hook shot. Oh, Clank, what the heck? Okay, restore health with the nanotech. This game's pretty cool, I have to say. There we go. Okay. Awesome. Is this like a taxi? No? Okay. This is pretty... This is... What? Okay, wait. This is cool. Ah! I had a police car. I don't think that I was supposed to do that. I don't think that I'm supposed to hit the police cars, but... Okay. Here we go. Okay. Is that sort of like the King Kong? Nope. What's happening? What the heck's happening? Oh. Okay. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Okay, what's this? What are these? Cleaner minions. Great. Can you kill these cleaner minions? Actually you can. Wow. What the heck's happening? Okay, so those cleaner minions are done for. Okay. Whoa, got a new weapon. Where am I going now? Awesome. Okay, I don't know why my game's freezing. Okay, there's a huge glare now. Okay. Sorry about the glare. I have no idea how to fix that. Yeah, you can die now. Okay. Let's go. Now what am I doing? I guess this. Oh, okay. So, got a new bonus. Okay. That's pretty cool. Oh. I was wondering when that bridge would be here. Ammo pads, refill their ammo. Okay. So that's my ammo. Yeah. That was a huge glare. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. No. Okay, so now I'm refilling my ammo. There we go. Okay. Whoa. Scout minion. Oh no. What happened? Okay. There we go. The bolt grabber power up lets the break creates upon touch. Oh, that's cool. Need to refill my things real quick. My bullets. My health. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Nope. Ah. Yeah, we got this, Clank. Okay, so now let me refill my bullets. And I'm down. No. Okay, well, he's down now. Okay, once I finish this mission, I think I'm gonna, finish it up now. Once I'm done with this part. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. I forgot that I can sprint. Okay, so I died. I really need to fill up my ammo. Okay, there. There we go. There we go. Feed off the minions. Okay, so I'm gonna finish it up here. I finished up the mission. Got enough bolts to buy a new weapon. And yeah, okay. Catch you all in the next video. I'm gonna be making more videos today for DC Universe Online and Destiny. Okay, bye.